keep your backseat passengers entertained with CTA Digital's Vehicle Headrest Security Flex Mount for tablets. This tablet mount attaches to your car's headrest to bring apps and media to your passengers' fingertips, making it an excellent fit for taxis, service vehicles, and more. The powerful metal arm is equipped with 2 ball socket joints for expansive angle adjustment and easy switches between portrait and landscape displays. The arm base clamps onto one of your headrest support rods. This unique clamp allows your tablet to be displayed directly behind the driver or passenger seats, or positioned between them. The slide grip tablet holder protects your tablet from theft with a powerful lock and key security system, and allows access to all ports, buttons, and headphone jacks for compatibility with card readers. Also included is an optional steel security cable, which tethers the holder to any permanent fixture in your vehicle for additional protection. This stand is compatible with 7 to 14-inch tablets, including iPad mini, 12.9-inch iPad Pro, Galaxy Tab S4 9.7, and more.